Welcome dear student. Today we'll see about the structure of the heart, mammalian heart. Okay, so this we'll do the dissection of the heart. This is the heart of the goat. Okay, now here in case of the human heart, it is bigger in size. It is having the more weight as compared to the goat heart. So what is the heart? It is a main pumping organ of the circulatory system. The color, if you observe, that is a brownish red color. Okay, and it is a hollow inside. It is a hollow inside. It is a muscular organ. Now here the size of the human heart, it is about the size of the fist. This is the heart of the goat, so it is a smaller in size. Okay, now about the weight of the human heart, if you observe that, it is approximately 300 gram in case of the male, while in case of the female it is a 250 gram. But about the heart of the goat, if you observe that, it is of the approximately 150 gram. Now the broader, which is a upper portion, is a broader one. Okay, while the lower side is there, the apex side, if you observe that, it is a conical. So at the conical at the apex. This heart is a 4 chamber of the mammalian heart, is of the 4 chamber. Okay, now here this what are the 4 chambers are there. So on the upper side, the 2 superior whatever the chambers are there, which are called as auricles or called as atria, while the lower 2 are there, which are called as ventricles, or the which are the inferior one. Coronary arteries are there, which are the right and the left. Okay, coronary veins also, which runs through the sulci. Now here this what are the coronary arteries are there, which are running here on the left and the right side. Okay, if you observe that, you can get the clear idea about this. Now here, if you observe that, the right side and the left side, the right side is there, which is related to what? Related to the deoxygenated blood, while the left side is there, which is related to the oxygenated blood. Right atrium is there. This about the right atrium. If you observe in this, you can get the clear idea. So this the about the right atrium through which the blood enter inside. So here deoxygenated blood, which is received from the body, which is enter here on the right side. First it goes in what? In the atria or the auricle, right auricle, and then it enters in the right ventricle. While the other one is there, here what we observe, this is the aorta, which is going on the left side. First it goes in the left auricle and then it goes in the left ventricle. Okay, so this is about what? About the aorta is there, and second one is there, that is about the pulmonary artery is there. Now here inside that, here if you observe that, this is about the auricles or the atrias are there, which is left, and here it is about the right. This view is there. This is about what? About the ventral or the anterior view of the heart. While this is there, this is about the dorsal view or the posterior view of the heart. Now, next to this here, if you will observe that, just now I said that here the right and the left side. So right one is there, which is for the deoxygenated blood. So what is the blood which is used by the body, which enter in the right side? First it goes in the right auricle or right atria, then the right ventricle, then whatever the deoxygenated blood is there, which goes towards the lung. Okay, now here while the left side is there, left side which receives oxygenated blood from the lung, and then that enter inside the first, that is about the left atria, and then afterward to the left ventricle. Okay, so this is about what? From the outside what we observe about the heart. Now we'll dissect the heart. So from the lower side, from the its apex side, I will cut. Okay, and then we'll see what is there inside. So here So here carefully we have to cut this. So I'll try to open. Let us see how is this. You can see clearly this is about the papillary muscles. Okay, and then we'll open clearly afterward. From here also We'll try to open. This side is there, which is a left side, which is having the thick wall of the heart, as it has to pump the oxygenated blood to the body. For that, it is a thicker one. Okay, if you'll observe that this what the wall is there, which is a thicker one. Okay, while this one is there on the right side, it is a thinner one. It receives the blood, deoxygenated blood from the body. Now this is about the left side. Just now I said, you can clearly observe that how this whatever the structure inside, the tendines are there. The chordae tendineae, you can clearly observe how white structure is there, which help for the pumping of the blood. So here what is the systolic and the diastolic, whatever the function is there. Now I will try to cut this fully. Here you can see the clearly the middle septum is there. Okay, so this whatever the middle interventricular septum, you can observe. Here you can get the idea about how this the tendines which are attached here. On this side also we can get the more clear idea about this, how this the tendines are there which are attached. So inside you can see the cuspid walls are there. Okay, so bicuspid wall and the tricuspid wall. So the tricuspid wall is there, which is present on the right ventricle, okay, between the ventricle and the auricle, while the bicuspid is there, which is between the left auricle and left ventricle. Now I will try to pass this. So here this is to the pulmonary artery, which is passed inside, which is on the right side, you can see. So from where the blood enter inside. So you can get the clear idea. Now this is about the aorta, from where the oxygenated blood which is entering inside the. So this is about what? About the left side, and this is about the right side. From here the blood which is a received oxygenated blood, and then from here this blood will go out. So here the bicuspid wall is there. Now here it avoids the backflow of the blood. Unidirectional flow is there. Same way about this, the tricuspid wall is there, which is on the right side. From here blood is received, and then from that the blood goes to the towards the lung, where the tricuspid wall is present. So I will cut this hole into two parts. Now here you can get the more clear idea. You can see here this is about the bicuspid wall, and here the tricuspid walls are there. This is about the ventricle portion is there. This is the left ventricle, this is right ventricle. Here the wall we can observe that it is a thinner one as and this side, and it is a thicker one here this side. Here this is the interventricular, what is the septum is present. Now here this what are the tendons are there, this also you can clearly observe. Okay, so this is about what, about the heart of the goat.